When I arrived, I thought I was going to discover a lotus farm. I didn't expect to discover such a rich tradition of craftsmanship behind this flower. I wanted to understand. I wanted to discover. So, I left the city to meet the people who keep this tradition alive. And before the visit even began, I discovered my first way of experiencing the lotus, simply over a cup of lotus tea.
This is the lotus tea, and then this one, the lotus biscuit. We make with lotus seed, yellow bean.
Then, I discovered what had brought me here in the first place. I knew the lotus could be used in many different ways, but I never imagined that a simple stem could hide such a delicate fibre. And behind every thread, there was something else. Passions. Watching the artisans work, it all seemed almost effortless. Until it was my turn. Every workshop was different, but they all had something in common. You had to take your time. And by trying it myself, I began to understand how much work goes into these objects. I thought I had already discovered all the ways the lotus could be transformed, but there were still more surprises to come. After everything I had discovered, the day began to slow down. The sun was slowly setting over the lake, and for the first time that day, I didn't need to understand anything anymore. The day ended surrounded by people, traditions, and this flower that had been all around me. I came to discover the lotus, and I'm leaving with so much more than a flower.